Hello, my YouTube crew. When I do say it's 1954 over here, I kind of mean it. I still use the, whatever you call this thing, in the sink. I use a rag. I don't use disposable stuff like paper towels and sponges and shit like that. I use this. I don't know what is the Brillo pad, but this here, abrasive, and this here, sensitive. When I want to wash up my dish, nicey nice, I use this. Palmolive takes out the oil. Look, come on, forget about the dishwasher. I'm the dishwasher. I am the dishwasher. And when I got stubborn stuff, I use this side. I got 5 of these, and when I'm done, I throw them in the washing machine. You people with this disposable stuff, you're out of your fucking minds. Dishwasher? Right here. Right here. That's your dishwasher, right here. Forget about it.